in holiness. Last week I tried to explain ukuthi holiness it's all about being one with self. In the enza kuthiwe God is holy. God is holy ngoba he is one with himself. And purpose yakhe noma whatever he does akuyitholi kungasaphumeleli just because umqondo omningi eyedwa. No, he becomes one with himself. So as a result he is holy, ungcwele. Ngoba ukwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto engakhona ukwenzeka. But zonke lezi zinto ukwazi ukuzenza because of ubungcwele bakhe, meaning because of his oneness. Nikhona bazalwane? uJesu uyathandaza kuJohn chapter 17. Uthi njengalokhu mina nawe simunye nabo as a church ababe njani? Ababe munye. That is holiness, ukuthi ibandla libe ngcwele. Makuthiwa ibandla lingcwele akukhulunywe ukuthi ibandla liphuza utshwala, ngoba baningi abantu abangakholwa kodwa baphuza utshwala. Makuthiwa ibandla lingcwele akukhulunywe ukuthi alixoxi indaba, ngoba bakhona abantu abakhonza amanye ama-altar but abayikhuluma indaba. So makukhulunywa about the holiness in the church, kukhulunywa ngokuthi a church must be one mind, a church must be one heart, and the church must be one spirit. Mangiya kumama uShabangu, uma ngisuka kuye ngiya kumkhokheli wami, angingatholi okuhlukile from what I found kumama uShabangu where Christ is concerned. Angithi nje bazalwane, akumele mangifika kulo mzalwane nginambithe uNkulunkulu, mase ngifika lo nginambithe ukuhluleka. Hayi, mele sibe munye. That is holiness in the church. Yezwakala bazalwane. So number 2,